Why are there not more people talking about how to safely tackle those DIY electrical projects at home? Welcome to Long Island Electric Pro, your trusted local electricians in Suffolk County, Long Island. With 20+ years of experience, we know a thing or two about keeping your home safe and well lit. Did you know? A quick DIY tip for changing your light fixtures safely: always turn off the power at the breaker box. Double check with a voltage tester to ensure it's safe before starting. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping you safe. Another pro tip: use childproof outlet covers to keep your little ones safe. It's an easy and effective way to childproof your home. Peace of mind for you, safety for them. Stumped on a project? Don't worry, we're here to help with the tough jobs so you can focus on what you do best. From simple repairs to complex installations, we've got you covered. Visit us at lielectricpro.com or call 516-361-4068 for expert electrical solutions in Suffolk County. Let's power your home, together. Long Island Electric Pro, lighting the way to safer homes.